Kartunya Papa masih di mobil. Traktor beli. Motor Travis belum laku guys. Ada apa? Ah itu ada Alpine Star. Ah ini nih guys. Semua ready, tersedia.
You ridden the blue one much?
Yep.
Yeah. Pretty good bike, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll show you what we had all the boys for the actual
Nah, ini
race.
kita naik. Semuanya baik.
We started, this is a fair bit different, all in the cam chain area. The cylinder head to make it a bit shorter. Spare bikes normally just without decking the cylinder head. Yeah, the race fuel was actually, we'll go up Travis, this stuff here, $60 a drum by the looks of it. There is a cheaper one, but I think, and then go back to normal 98 when you're practicing, and you'll see like you could still just run normal fuel practice that you would use when you run the race fuel.
Power from, but yeah, we haven't done it that.
The drums, but we haven't put one on the dyno yet. It'll be similar.
Different ECUs.
Yeah, it could be a different thing.
Spasi jaket apa buat kamu? Ini guys. Nah ini limited edition ya.
The fire up theft. There's also $478.
Tap and pay ke Android.
Everything for you. So it's basically the bike, and then the just give you that one.
Cái nomor saya.
Oh, mati.
Ya?
This one.
HP-nya Papa?
Little bits and pieces. This tiny little car, it just fits on the wheel arches. And the less reliable it gets. But you can bike, yeah. Yeah. I'll get Travis. Yeah. I'll get Travis to email. Sick.
Alright.
He's gonna. Have you ridden it? Park
I'm going to Rosebud as well.
Oh, thanks guys.
Alright, yeah.
I'll send you an email tomorrow. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for driving over again.
Thank you.
Thanks, Lucky.
Okay.